Good day, guys, and welcome to Z Travel TV. In this episode, we are going to explore the largest barangay in the province of Maguindanao del Norte, the Barangay Sarmiento, Landasan, Maguindanao del Norte. Getting there, it's about 30 to 45 minutes travel from Cotabato City. It has a total of more or less 18,000 population. There are 3 secondary schools in the said barangay. Amirbara Landasan National High School, a public high school situated in the Barangay Sarmiento. Notre Dame of Sarmiento Incorporated, a private Catholic secondary school located in Barangay Sarmiento, Maguindanao. Arm Regional Science High School, a public science high school where the depth of education, also known as the Regional Science High School, for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. It evolved from Parang National High School, Landasan Campus, Amirbara Landasan National High School. It serves as the premier science high school for the region and reflects a conversion from Amirbara Landasan National High School, indicating both schools are closely tied and possibly share a vicinity. Barangay Sarmiento has 3 primary schools, namely Sarmiento West Elementary School, Sarmiento Central Elementary School, and Sarmiento East Elementary School. Here in Barangay Sarmiento, you can relax, dine, and unwind at their bamboo floating cottages, which are located at Ambo Zone, Barangay Sarmiento, Maguindanao. Sophia's Floating Cottage and Jenny's Beach House are both bamboo-style floating cottages situated in Ambo Zone, Barangay Sarmiento, Maguindanao. So what are you waiting for? Go, go, go!